Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial video. So in this video, I will show you how we can do a registration on a QNE AI Cloud accounting. First, we need to go back to the web page. You can log in into any browser. Just type in account.qne.cloud. And once you have reached this page, for those who are first-time user, you can click on the sign up button from here, and you just key in the email that you haven't registered before, and you just put in the email address. And if let's say you already have you haven't registered before, you will have a button here to click on the create account. But if let's say now I'm using another one, like this is the one I've used before, you can see the create account button will become a dim, so that I cannot create any account. So for this one, I will just use the training.qne.my.@gmail.com, and I just create an account. Once I create the account, so it will jump to another page to update your own personal profile. This one I can just put it like this is the name, and then what is the country, and then what is the area, and then what is the phone number, and what will be the password that you are going to set. For example, I put in a password in here, and I also put in a password from here. And if let's say you have any referral code, that normally you can get the referral code from our CAP, or if let's say you have get any referral code, you can just put in the referral code column. But if let's say there's no any referral code, you can just leave it, and then you can just continue. Once you continue already, so it will prompt a message to you to say that please go for an email confirmation, and you need to log in back to the account. So once you click on the login account, and you can go back to your email that you registered, and you can see there's an email from QNE Optimum. This is the one. When you click on this one, there is an email verification, and you just need to click on the verified email to confirm the email. Once you have confirmed the email, you can get back to the page, just now the login page, and from this login page, you can just key in back the email that you just registered, and you can just type in the password just now you have put in to log in into the system. So for those who are first time user who log in into the system, so normally we will come to this first sign up page. This is the one you can select the demo company, and also you can set the call is your company. So for this demo company, it will be a database that will share by all users. Okay, so this one, everyone will access to the same database. Any transaction that will be done will be shared to others as well. But for now, I will advise you to go to your company to try to set up your own company as well. And this one will be just for your own review. Just click on your company. So once you click already, so you will come to this page. It's called Treat and Quick Easy Step, and you just need to get started to proceed the setup. So for first thing you need to set up is where is your country. It's either it's a Malaysia or Philippines. So normally we just select the Malaysia, and this one is your company name. For example, let's say this one I put it is called a sample trading company. Okay, and this one industry is based on what kind of industry they are using for. And for this one, I will use for others. And for the business type, whether you are sole provider, individual, non-profit organization, or you can use for a corporation for the Sramba as well. And I can just put on the next to proceed. And for this screen, okay, for the physical start month is meaning that when are you going to plan for your own account year ends. So maybe I will start from 2025 January, and my year end will be on 12 months, so the year end will be on December 2025. And the accounting start month is meaning that when are you plan to use the system. So if let's say you are going to backdate to key in back the transaction, everything starting from January, you can just select the accounting start month. It start from January onward. But if let's say you are not going to input the accounting start month everything from January onward, then you can set, maybe I want to start using, it's called a May, then you can put it as a May. And for this chart account, if let's say you are converting from other system, for example like our existing QNE Optimum, then you can use the plan template to use it. But if let's say it's a new business, then you have no idea about the chart file account, maybe you can try to use the general business. The system will help you to generate one set of the chart file account for you. It's a template for you. And for this alignment header, is meaning that how are you going to assign your letterhead. So I want to align in the left hand side, in the center, or in the right hand side. So normally it depends on how are you going to design on your letterhead. If let's say I want to put it as a core left hand side, so it becomes something like this one. It's on left hand side, and you can click on this upload to search back your logo. Let's say I go back to this is my logo. So I can put in the logo as well. Okay, no worry, if let's say in future you want to remove the logo, you want to exchange the logo, you can exchange again, and then I can just submit. Okay, this is the way we're going to register an account and how we're going to create a database for your own company. So once you create the database already, we can move on to choose your plan. Okay, so for first time user, okay, you can try to select any plan. From here you have a prime package, you have the essential package, and also you have a core pro plan package. So for this one, you can try to select the professional package first for your testing, and after that you select the professional, you can just proceed to add on. If let's say I not proceed to add on, you can see on my navigation bar here on the left hand side, this part, you have a limited access on that part. So that's why you need to select at least one of the plan, then only you have the access right from the navigation bar. And from here you can see which one you want to try to for a trial. You can add on the project, you also can add on the multi-location. Once you've done everything from here, then you can try to click on the start free trial, and you can try to use for 30 days. Okay, you have a 30 days trial to use it. And once you're done for this one, if let's say you want to input the license key, you have purchased a license key, you can scroll down on the left hand side and you can try to click on the account, and there's a manage plan. And from this manage plan, you can try to click on this I have my product key to update your own license key as well. Right, so this is the way how are we going to update to create a sample database when I register for the first time.
Next generation of accounting. QNE AI Cloud, your partner in ensuring LHDN e-invoice compliance.